Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search for Gmail app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then you click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.